In this
Hello,
presentation,
my name is
we'll
Kelsey
be going
Kennedy,
over the
today we are
need
going
for the program.
the program
topic
final
including a quick
presentation,
summary
which
of
is part of a
information
series
being
on
shared
green parenting.
within the program,
With this specific
the program
topic
goals,
being about
the
cloth
target
diapering.
population, the outcomes, the activities we will be doing, outputs, the resources needed to put on this
we will be
program,
going over the
logic
need
model
for
the
program
and
topic
evaluation
including a quick
questions to
summary
help
of
improve the
information
program
being shared
within the program goals, the target population, the outcomes, the activities we will be doing, outputs, the resources needed to put on this program, the logic model for the program, and evaluation questions to help improve the program. Being a new parent or soon-to-be new parent can be stressful and overwhelming with all the different options out there, and diapering your child is no different. There are two popular options, and that is using disposable diapers or cloth diapers. If a parent is considering choosing cloth diapers, they will soon be thrust into a very confusing world and will need guidance to help them go through all of their options. And with all of the different options, this program will hopefully take away all of that stress and bring clarity and confidence to cloth diapering. There are many different reasons to consider cloth diapering, and one of them is to do it for environmental reasons, which would reduce your garbage output. Other reasons include cost or simply just liking the looks and idea of cloth diapering. There are many different options for cloth diapers, and when you are just starting out, the possibilities can seem endless. Cloth diapering has improved a lot since our grandmothers were forced to do it, and now there are so many options for the different kinds, and they include flat diapers, pre-fold diapers, fitted diapers, all-in-one diapers, all-in-two diapers, pocket diapers, overnight diapers, and more. On top of just the diapers, getting all the accessories one needs can be overwhelming too, and they include wet bags, dry bags, toilet sprayers, the right detergent, and so forth. Another topic this program will cover is resources, and that includes different online groups that other cloth diapering moms are a part of, so everyone can help each other out. Or if you have trouble affording cloth diapers, there are charities that will send you cloth diapers for free, and other resources that will help parents navigate through their cloth diapering journey. The goal for this program would be that participants are able to learn all about cloth diapering and all that is included with it, which include the different types of diapers, accessories needed or preferred, and the resources to make the transition easier, and is confidently able to pursue cloth diapering in their own lives. The target population for this program will be soon-to-be parents, new parents, care providers, or parents with children in diapers who are interested or will like to learn about cloth diapers. And about 10 to 20 participants in this program would be ideal to really gain what we need to complete it. The outcome for this program would be that participants are not only able to learn about cloth diapering, but would be able to go home and implement this lifestyle in their own household. This program will be largely informational. So the main activities will revolve around a presentation in which we look at the different types of cloth diapers, how to wash them, different resources, storing the diapers, the different accessories. An activity that can be done would be to provide everyone a flour sack towel and they will be able to take home. And while at the program, they will learn different flat diaper folds and they will be able to use it if they choose to pursue that specific type of diapering. With the budget of this program being relatively small, this is an appropriate activity to be able to stay within budget while giving them a hands-on lesson and something that they can continue to practice while at home. Each participant will leave with a flour sack towel that can be used as an absorbent layer in a cloth diaper, and they will have the knowledge on how to use it correctly. They will also have the knowledge on how to cloth diaper, the accessories needed, how to wash and store the diapers, and more. For this program to be successful, the program will need participants willing to learn about the topic, multiple cloth diapers of each kind to be able to pass around to everyone, Wi-Fi and technology to be able to show the working of different online sources, along with the PowerPoint that outlines all of the main points being made, as well as a flour sack towel for each participant. So on this slide we have the logic model for this program, and it has the inputs, activities, outputs, short-term outcomes, medium-term outcomes, and long-term outcomes. And I'm going to read them off to you. So in order to accomplish our goals, we will need the following resources, which is internet access, laptop, projector, cloth diapers, flour sack towels, accessories, including wet bags, cloth wipes, and more. Activities to accomplish the following activities will result in the following measurable deliverables. There will be a presentation on cloth diapering and the different variables involved, and a hands-on activity on folding their own flour sack towels. And then the outputs. Accomplishing these activities will result in the following evidence of progress. The accomplishment would be the participants would start cloth diapering their own children. And now we come to short-term outcomes, medium-term outcomes, and long-term outcomes. This is rather difficult because the medium-term outcomes and long-term outcomes are a little different for this program, as the only outcome that we need here is that people are interested in cloth diapering. But here's what I have. We expect the following measurable changes within the life of the grant. Participants will start cloth diapering their children, and then for medium-term outcomes, participants will successfully be cloth diapering their children and be telling their friends about it to try to get the word out about cloth diapering. And then for the long-term outcomes, cloth diapering will become more widespread throughout the community, and it will become the more viable choice as more people are doing it. So finally, we have the evaluation questions for the program, and the two process questions I have are: in which way do participants want to learn about cloth diapers, i.e. demonstrations, presentation, etc. And we're going to get the data source will be the participants, the method will be a survey, indicators will be whether the presentation is the best form of delivery of presentation is, and the target for success is at least 50% of participants agree on a way of delivery. And then the second question is, what will we need to be effective? What will we need to effectively reach audience members? And the data source will be past participants. The method will be through survey. Indicators and benchmarks would be Facebook, flyers, and word of mouth. And then for the outcome questions, are participants taking the information away that they need to from the program? And the data source will be the participants. The method will be a survey. Indicators will be the participants are confident with their new knowledge and starts looking into cloth diapering their own children. And the target for success is 80% of participants walk away understanding the basics of cloth diapering. And then the second question is, are participants confident to implement cloth diapering in their own life? The data source are the participants. The method is a survey. Indicators, benchmarks. The participants are actively participating in cloth diapering on their own children. And then the target for success is all participants will consider cloth diapering. At least half will actually go forward with cloth diapering. And then two impact questions. Are the participants cloth diapering long term? And the data source will be participants. Method will be online survey. Indicators will be the participants are still cloth diapering or cloth diapered until their children grew out of diapers. Target for success is 70% of participants continued cloth diapering until completion of diapers or are still doing so. And then the second question is, are participants educating friends on cloth diapering? The data source will be participants, method will be online survey, indicators will be there's an uprise in parents who cloth diaper within the community, and the target for success, at least 30% of people taught/told the friends about cloth diapering, and 50% of those friends decided to cloth diaper their own children.